In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add something to your Temu order, and it's surprisingly easy. Whether you're a frequent shopper or new to the platform, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can seamlessly add items to your cart without any hassle. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Temu website. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a wide array of products ranging from clothing and beauty products to home goods and jewelry. Temu offers a diverse selection to choose from, so take a moment to explore if something new catches your eye. Now, with the Temu homepage in front of you, the next step is to navigate to your shopping cart. You'll usually find the shopping cart icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on this icon. This will take you directly to your cart where you can view all the items you've already selected to purchase. Once you're inside your cart, consider what you'd like to add. Maybe there's a store you particularly like or an item you forgot to grab earlier in your shopping journey. You should see options or suggested items based on your browsing history or previous purchases, which can aid in your decision. With an item in mind, the next step is to click back onto the shop or item that you're interested in. Temu's interface is pretty user-friendly, so finding the product categories or the search bar should be straightforward. Once you locate your desired item, click on it to view more details. This step is all about ensuring that what you're adding is exactly what you need. Check the product specifics, reviews, and any available options like size or color. After you're sure about your choice, it's time to add it to your cart. You will typically find an Add to Cart button right there on the product page. Give that a click, and the item will be included in your current selection of products to purchase. With the new item successfully added, you're now ready for the final step, checking out. Head back to your cart if you're not already there and review all the items you've gathered. Confirm that everything looks good, then proceed to checkout. This is where you'll input shipping information and payment details if you haven't already saved them in your account. And that's it. You've successfully added something to your Temu order. Remember, this method can save you time by allowing you to consolidate orders as you find additional items you love. Happy shopping!